Hello student, continue our multi impression to plate automatic injection mold. We discussed about the top view where we draw its aligning and cooling system. Now we discuss about feed system, and there is a screw of 2 mm of its radius. Then it should be neat the elevation, so go to elevation and draw the elevation. So first of all we just draw a line here and then offset it by 30 for back plate, top plate, and then draw a line here and offset it by 30 downward for the core plate, then again offset it by 30 for core back plate, then draw a line in the mid of this top view and then offset it by 108, half of the 216, that is the size of our core and cavity plates, and then offset the top view by 25 mm for clamping plate, then move the whole figure rightward, then CH enter and pick these two lines for chamfer, control Z, control Z, control Z. This is not the line. The line clicking is the CH enter, this and this, again this and this. This is the top plate. Now again click this line and this line, then again this line and this line. Now we have to click this line and this line, again this and this, again we have to pick this and this, and this is also clicked. This is our cavity plate, and extend EX, enter this line both side, then again draw some lines from here, again we have to draw some lines for the core and cavity core back plate, and then CHA enter, and the plates will need to our mold, make chamfer, in all the plates, and mold is now drawn its core and cavity. Then we need a line here and a line here for the offset 65 mm, and then 30 mm, then we need to offset this hole by 40 mm per side. Then CHA enter, this plate can be completed with the chamfer tool, and this also be completed with the help of chamfer tool. Then draw a line from the end of the chamfer, again from the end of this chamfer, then CHA enter and mark chamfer here, then join. This is join tool. In the modified toolbar, you just join these both lines, and then offset this line by 5 mm upward, then offset the same by 18 mm upward, then offset this line by 16 mm upward, then offset 5 mm this line leftward and this rightward, then break this line at here, and also break this line at this intersection. Then CHA enter and make fillet these two lines. These are the ejector assembly plates, and here is the support pillar. These are the support pillars and support blocks. And now we check here how much the distance. It is 26 we needed. It is okay, and then make a extend this line from here to here and offset it by 6 mm per side for ejector pin. This is the ejector pin, and then offset by these two lines, right line to rightward and left line to leftward. Then offset 8 mm upward this line for the head of this ejector pin. Then trim PR enter these lines drawing the head. This is the head of this pushback pin, ejector pin. Now we need pushback pin. This is the pushback pin. So there is some pins we need to draw at 12 mm. This is 12 mm, 6 mm of radius, and offset the same by 2 mm outside. And we can match property of center lines. Then offset by 3 mm this, and then trim on this circle. These are lines. Then erase the helping circle and then copy this pin for all the 4 impressions. This is the ejector pin, and now we have to draw feed system here. So here we have to draw a screw bush, that is from here we draw 70 mm rightward, and then 10 mm, and then this is the register end. We just draw a line from here by 10 mm and 10 mm upward, then perpendicular to this line, and trim this line. This is our register ring, and here is some 40 mm hole. We erase the extra lines we have drawn, and then draw a line from here for 20 mm, and then perpendicular to upper line, and draw a line here at the rate of 20 angle 60 degree, and then trim it, and also trim this line. Now we have to draw a screw bush here. Draw a line 22.5 mm, then 8 mm, then 22, 12, 10 mm, and then draw it to this line, and now make a circle here by 15 mm, and then move it by 12 mm upward, then trim it on these 2 lines, and now offset this line by 2 mm rightward, and draw a line here